home, and I don't usually do this. It's an unboxing video. Here's how it looks when you open that box up. I'm back home, and I don't usually do this. It's an unboxing video. But this is like the coolest thing I've ever bought at the theme parks. I didn't find it at World of Disney. It might have been sold out, or I just overlooked it because that place is a madhouse. But I did find it at the Fort Wilderness campsite outpost shop that they have. And it is the Disney Parks Theme Park Edition Yahtzee, which is cool. I was like, yeah, I want that. But then I started opening it and I'm like, wait a minute, I have to show this. Number one, you notice the 4 tumblers that you get. There's one themed to Magic Kingdom, one themed to Hollywood Studios, one themed to Animal Kingdom, and of course, everybody's favorite, Epcot. Even cooler than that, when you open it up, which it's packaged so nicely. Each tumbler has their own set of dice. I love that. So each person will have, you don't have to share the dice at all. They just go into the tumbler. They each come with a little pencil. And here's the detail on the Epcot. Oh, the Mexico Pavilion, Paris, the Red Gate, the American Pavilion. It's so cool. And of course, Figment and the monorail, Spaceship Earth. It is so cool. And that's just the Epcot tumbler. Animal Kingdom, it's green, of course. Look at that. Everest with the Yeti. The tree name that I can't remember, but it looks like the roots are on the top. And dinosaur. There's a banshee, a meteor, and of course, all the animals from the front, including the dragon and the tree of life. It is so cool. Now, inside the Hollywood Studios is where you find the instructions for Yahtzee, and it's just the instructions for Yahtzee. Another pencil, and along with the dice for the red cup, this is where the scorecards are. Let's take a look at the scorecards. It looks like they have the 4 park icons. Oh, they do. Of course, it says Disney Parks Theme Park Edition across the top of it, and it has Tower of Terror, the castle, the Epcot ball, the Tree of Life. It's also cool. And I have like the Disney Theme Parks editions of the Life game, and it's cool. But like this just blew me away. I don't know why. I guess because I love Yahtzee. So, as well as the dice, and then we have on the container, of course, Tower of Terror, the icon for Hollywood Studios, Toy Story Land with Batu in the background, the Indiana Jones stunt show. Oh, the Phantasmic show across there. Rock and roller coaster going across the top. Ah, it's so cool. This is very, very cool. And then, of course, the best for last, Cinderella's Castle. Tomorrowland, Space Mountain, Fantasyland, the People Mover, Jungle Cruise. Oh, Adventureland, Pirates, the train. It's so cool. This whole set is so cool. And of course, another set of dice and the pencil. So, I'm very, 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 very happy with this investment. I think this is probably one of my favorite souvenirs. All right, here's the up close view. The one for Magic Kingdom. Even the people mover. It's so cool. I love this. Animal Kingdom. The Tree Alive. Everest and the Yeti. You can hear the dice inside. It's so cool. I'm not usually like, look at what I bought, but I love things that are all for theme park icons. It's my sweet spot. Hollywood Studios. The Tower of Terror. Toy Story. Phantasmic, all the way across. Rock and Roll. An AT-AT. Who knows how you say it? I always called them AT-ATs. And of course, my favorite, everyone's favorite, Epcot. With Figment. I love it. Love it, love it. Monorail on this one. All the icons. World Showcase, Test Track. Oh, Spaceship Earth. It's so cool. Figment is the best. Show you the tops of all of them. They each have their dice in there and the pencil, the scorecard, instructions if you've never played Yahtzee before. I love it. Love this souvenir.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!